Hey friends, today was supposed to be our homeschool co-op day, but this is what we woke up to this morning, totally by surprise in April. So co-op was canceled. So I figured today would be a good day for a what I eat in a day video. I did already have my coffee with my one serving of dairy-free creamer. I do have a recipe on my dairy-free creamer and I will put that up in the cards, and I will just bring you along on what I eat on this snow day. I thought some burgers and eggs sounded good for breakfast, so I am just going to throw these in the air fryer using some organic seasoned salt from Redmond, and then I'll fry up some eggs. So I had already packed my lunch for today when we were going to be out, and I thought you guys might be interested in seeing what I have in here. I always bring a ton of my dairy-free creamer. I kind of keep this bag packed, and so I can just grab it whenever I need it. And we have a Keurig there, so I bring my own little K-cups. So I pack a bunch of stuff because you guys know I like options, but I don't typically eat it all. But I just have a whole bunch of things I can choose from whenever I need something. Got a pack of olives, pack of artichokes, a couple of the chomp sticks. This is a partial bag of the Strive beef biltong bites. And then I didn't have any meat prepped for this week because my prep day was busy with other things. So I just cut up some hot dogs. I don't eat a lot of hot dogs, but they do come in handy when I have to pack something quick. And these are the Teton Waters Ranch beef hot dogs. And then I have 3 of the Hawaiian rolls that I made on my baking day this week. And I just cut them in half and put some butter inside. And that is what I had packed for the day. I will probably eat some of these. I probably won't eat this. Maybe Levi will eat some of this later. And then this stuff is just going to stay in the bag so that I can grab and go whenever I need to. Oh, I also always have in here a few different teas, and I normally, let's see, do I have them in here? Yeah, I have some of the Relight packets as well, just in case I need that. Yeah, there's like 3 or 4 in here.
Is that egg really that big, or is that?
Yes. Well, it doesn't fit in there because it's so big. It's enormous. And that's a big egg. Yes, Renee?
Oh, can we do pancakes?
No, not this one.
What if you pack the big egg? See if it's a double yolk.
Double. Double yolk. Yeah.
It was a double yolk of the pancake.
Yep. And here is my breakfast, a whole lot fancier than it would have been if I was rushing out the door this morning. Burger patty, I think they're 3rd pound burger patties, if I remember right. Double yolked egg, I grabbed that one. And a little bit of avocado, and then this is one of the Hawaiian rolls with a little bit of butter inside. Time for a mid-morning cup of coffee. I'm gonna have it again with 1 serving of my dairy-free creamer. A day like today, I just want to curl up and just drink coffee all day. It's about 1:15 right now, and I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm going to cook up some chicken wings in the air fryer. And since I have moved more into maintenance mode rather than weight loss mode, I've added tiny bits of dairy into my life just to see how I do. I added butter, and that seems to be fine. And I have been using the ranch seasoning off and on. It has dairy in it, of course, but it's so good. And my absolute favorite chicken wings right now are ranch chicken wings. So I'm going to give these a good coat of seasoning and then stick them in the air fryer. With this seasoning, I find I need to cook it at a little bit lower of a temperature and maybe for not quite as long because it can burn, because like the the milk ingredients have a tiny bit of sugar. So I don't cook it quite as long as like my just regular buffalo wings. I'll probably do like 385 for 16 or 18 minutes, something like that. I'm a little late getting my electrolytes mixed up here. It's actually interesting. I'm going to talk about this on a Wellness Wednesday coming up soon, but I feel like I have needed less electrolytes in the last couple of weeks. Some changes have happened that are giving me clues that maybe my body is balancing out or my kidneys are functioning better or something. I don't know what it is, but I have felt like I've needed less. And so in the mornings, I don't get that desperate need for them as quickly. And that means I kind of forget to do it sometimes because I eat to hunger and I drink to thirst. So I don't do it unless I'm thinking about it. So it's been kind of an interesting shift, and I will talk about it more on an upcoming Wellness Wednesday. So I'm still mixing the Relight and the Perfect Keto electrolytes. I just really love the combination of both brands. And today I'm having a mixed berry lemonade. These look so good. No need for sides or sauce or anything with these. I'm just going to eat them as is. And yes, I will probably eat all of them. You can see all of the snow is gone. It did not last long at all. But some people from our homeschool co-op live farther away, and they had like 7 or 8 inches of snow, so that was crazy. But I just got notification that I got a package delivered, so I was gonna run up here to the mailbox and show you what I got. From Redmond Life, you know it's gonna be good. First off, I can never place an order with Redmond without picking up some electrolytes. So I went ahead and restocked my lemon lime. And the most important, most exciting thing, the reason I placed the order is because I wanted the new smoked salt shaker set. Yum. Even though I already have the bags of all 3 kinds, I wanted the convenience of the shakers, and I can just refill with the bags. I'm super excited. So there's the hickory, the cherry, and the chef's blend. I put some of the, I believe it was cherry, on my eggs this morning, and it was so good. But I was excited about these cute, cute shakers. Yum. It's like gold in there. So delicious. All right. Cherry. And I can't decide which one's my favorite. It's one of those things where if I smell them back to back or taste them back to back, I can taste a difference. But when I put them on stuff, it just tastes like smoky deliciousness. And I can't really pick out which one I like the best. They are all good. You cannot go wrong. So even though the snow is all gone, it still made me feel like making soup today. I'd kind of gotten out of making soup since the weather was changing, but today changed all that. So I wanted to make the Hatch Green Chili chicken soup that I made on my very first Soup and Bread of the Week video. But I had a celery root and some turnips that I got in my last Imperfect Produce box. I forgot to customize my box, so I got some random things. Yeah, I'll help you just a second. And so I wanted to use those up. So I threw those in there with the chicken. And I'm not using xanthan gum to thicken it this time because I stopped using that because it was messing me up. But I thought I might just try to mash some of the celery root and turnips and see if that will thicken it up a little bit. All right, then I'm making it creamy by putting in coconut milk. And I think we have an avocado in the fridge that I could top this with. It needs some toppings. It doesn't look too appetizing the way it is. I will put the link to this recipe in the description and the video up in the cards. The main change that I made was I put in the root vegetables, and then I did increase the liquid just because I had the root vegetables in there. So it's a little different, but that's the basic recipe there. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to dig into this. I am also going to have those Hawaiian rolls, the other two that already have butter on them that have been waiting for me all day long. Oh, this is going to be such a good, comforting dinner. I'm super hungry, and we're having movie night, so I'm going to sit down and eat all this. Autumn made pizza for everyone, so people will eat the soup if they want it. My husband will eat the soup, but then they'll have pizza. She made the crust by hand, let it rise, did all the stuff. She's quite the baker. So they're going to have that.
Mom, did you put this in? I said no eggs.
No eggs. Would you like to try some soup?
It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Would you like a bowl of it?
Yeah. But now it's all of these.
You don't want the onions? Do you want avocado in it?
No. Yeah.
You do?
Yep.
What did you say?
I just want the soup water.
You just want the soup water?
Yeah.
So like with no chicken?
Yeah.
You just want the soup water. Okay, we can do that.
There's no olives or no onions.
Well, there's no olives. I mean avocado.
No avocado.
Yeah, just the soup water. And no chicken?
No.
Just the soup water.
Yeah, because I like that.
Okay. All right, there's your soup water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And this is dinner. It's possible I will come back for seconds on the soup, but I will just eat as much as I need until I am full. So I didn't count up my calories today. I just didn't feel like calculating the soup and all of that. And I don't count my calories and macros normally when I'm in maintenance mode. So this is real life. But I thought you might want to see my ketone number on my tone device. It's about to beep. Just have to blow into it here real quick. Well, that's the biggest number I have ever seen. Okay, I have had a couple of times that I've gone over 20 now, but every time I do the test again, and then it's like 15. So I'm going to do the test again just to see. I don't know what the deal is with that, but it's happened twice now, and we'll see if it happens again. I don't think I've ever really gotten a number over 20 before, but that would be exciting if I did. Whoa, I got 25 again. Maybe that's a real number. So after I did my BBB&E 5 days, my numbers went up a few points, and I thought they would go back down when I started eating regular again, but they really didn't. They stayed at the 14, 15 range, and now I got a 25. That's crazy. Well, that's exciting. You guys got to see it live here. But that is it for my What I Eat in a Day video. That was a fun way to end it. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you again in another video.